The other day I was in the prayer room at my church. My eyes were closed and my head was bowed. I was praying. A woman walked in and she walked past me, and even though I couldn't see her, I could perceive her presence. Now, this is like God. When he walks through our own circumstances in life, even when we can't trace him, we can't see him with our physical eyes or hear him moving around, we feel a shift in the atmosphere and we know he's there. So my challenge to you today is twofold. The first, take a look at Deuteronomy 31:8. And the second is slow down. Rest in God today. Sit with him and ask him to help you discern the movements in your life. I guarantee you that he's there. And even if you can't see him with your physical eyes or trace every single move that he's doing, he's working. Be blessed.